Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 commonly mispronounced words. Are you ready? Let's get started. Of course, I'm going to give you the words and you're going to get the meaning from the pictures and the examples I'm going to give you. So let's get started. So let's try the first word. Can you give it a shot? Did you say oven? No, sorry, it's not correct. We say oven, oven, oven. For example, put the chicken in the oven. Put the chicken in the oven. Put the chicken in the oven. So it's not oven. Great. Next word. Can you try? Did you say muscles? Sorry. C is silent, so we say muscles. Muscles. Look at him. He has strong muscles. He has strong muscles. What about this word? Did you say Iceland or Island? That's not correct again. So we say island, island. Example, La Palma de Mallorca is small island. La Palma de Mallorca is a small island. What about this word? Did you say sweet? It's not correct again. We say suit, suit. For example, the color suits you well. The color suits you well. So this is it. And please don't forget to focus on the pronunciation. Ciao.